हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे डेटा एनालिटिक्स डोमेन से रिलेटेड जॉब। आज तो अगर आप एज डेटा एनालिस्ट जॉब सर्च कर रहे हैं, सीनियर डेटा एनालिस्ट जॉब सर्च कर रहे हैं, फ्रेशर, एक्सपीरियंस, रिमोट और हाइब्रिड जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज, then this video is a must watch for you. In this video, I've tried to choose some jobs which have either zero experience or a mere experience of 1 year. And one more thing, the job titles may differ from data analyst to risk analyst or fraud analyst or financial analyst, but their ultimate goal would be data analysis, in which you can use your Python, SQL, and other coding skills. वीडियो आगे बढ़ाएं उससे पहले फॉर माय न्यू ऑडियंस लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माय सेल्फ। माय नेम इज हरीश सिंह। आई एम अ ब्लॉगर, अ यूट्यूबर एंड अ जॉब सर्च कंसल्टेंट एज वेल, एंड आई हैव almost 8+ years of experience recruiting people for different skills like Power BI, SQL developer, Python developer, data science or data analytics. So in future, if you do not want to lose out a single job opportunity related to these domains, do subscribe this channel right away, follow my Instagram page and my Facebook page as well. और मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे ऑलरेडी एक डेली जॉब अपडेट की सीरीज चल रही है, जहाँ पे मैं आपको प्रोवाइड कराता हूँ 2 से 3 जॉब्स अलॉन्ग विद जॉब एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स। तो अगर आपने अभी तक उस चैनल को फॉलो नहीं किया है तो डू फॉलो इट राइट अवे। इसका लिंक ऑलरेडी मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिया है। अगर आप मुझसे 1-on-1 कनेक्ट करना चाहते हैं तो भी मेरे सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स के लिंक्स मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में है। अगर आपका इस वीडियो से रिलेटेड कोई कंसर्न है, कोई कंप्लेंट है या कोई सजेशन है, फीडबैक है, तो यू कैन कमेंट डाउन योर फीडबैक। ऑल्सो यू कैन रीच मी थ्रू माय मेल आईडी व्हिच इज callzentalks26@gmail.com। अब बढ़ते हैं अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं, और जो भी जॉब्स हम रिव्यू करेंगे उन सभी जॉब्स के एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स आपको मैं प्रोवाइड कर दूंगा डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे। सो डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू चेक द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स। बिफोर हेडिंग टू द लैपटॉप स्क्रीन, जस्ट अ स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट, इफ यू लाइक द वीडियो, अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आता है, वीडियो कंटेंट पसंद आता है, then do press the like button, share it with your needy friends, because your one like keeps me motivated to prepare new videos related to these domains. So I would request you to press the like button if you like the video. Now let's jump to the laptop screen and see what are the jobs available this week.
तो फ्रेंड्स आगे हमने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं फॉर द रोल ऑफ डेटा एनालिस्ट। वीडियो आगे बढ़ाएं उससे पहले जस्ट अ स्मॉल रिमाइंडर अबाउट माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज जॉब सर्च गुरु फॉर यू, जहां पे आपको मिलते हैं डेली बेसिस पे जॉब्स रिलेटेड टू डेटा साइंस और डेटा एनालिटिक्स अलॉन्ग विद द जॉब एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स। तो अगर अभी तक आपने चैनल फॉलो नहीं किया है तो डू फॉलो इट राइट अवे। अब बढ़ते हैं जॉब की तरफ। फर्स्ट कंपनी इन द लिस्ट इज केनेक्ट टेक्नोलॉजीज, हायरिंग फॉर डेटा एनालिस्ट, एक्सपीरियंस 0 to 1 years, लोकेशन इज इन मुंबई एंड दे आर ऑफरिंग यू हाइब्रिड मोड, सैलरी 2 to 4 lakhs per annum, that is estimated, education bachelor's degree in maths, engineering, computer science, stats. About Connect, so this company is basically a B2B sales performance and incentive management platform that is helping large enterprise in driving sales performance. What you need to do as a data analyst: incentive automation tool integers with customer database to extract raw data. Using our data processing engine, we will manipulate and store summarized version of data in our database, followed by building dashboards so that end user can visualize the same on their mobile device. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform for this role. And some technical skills this company is looking for: great analytical skills and has experience working with data sets. Knowledge of MongoDB and JavaScript is a big plus. Familiarity with Excel will be great. And if you enjoy working with data sets and are able to adopt to fast-paced learning environment, then you will find yourself right at home. And to apply for the job post, this link is available in the description box. Let's move to the second job, which is for the company name Big Boy Toys, hiring for data analyst, experience 1 to 2 years, location is in Gurgaon, salary 4 to 8 lakhs per annum, that is estimated, education bachelor's degree in computer science, stats or mathematics. So if you are looking for any data analyst role and if you have only experience of 1 year, then also you can apply for the job post. As a data analyst, you need to perform cleaning, organizing, and structure complex and scattered CRM data to ensure data integrity and consistency. Develop and maintain reports, dashboards, and visualizations to track key performance indicators. Collaborate with cross-functional teams to understand data requirements and support decision-making processes. And stay up to date on industry trends and best practices in data analysis and CRM system. And present findings, recommendations, and insights to key stakeholders in a clear, concise, and compelling manner. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform as a data analyst over here. And for this role, you need to have proficiency in SQL, Python or R, advanced Excel skills including pivot tables, VLOOKUP and data visualization techniques, strong analytical skills with the ability to collect, organize, analyze and disseminate significant amounts of information with attention to detail, and excellent communication and presentation skills. And if you are good to go with this job, you can click on this link which is available in the description box. Third job in the list is TECHBLOCKS, hiring for data analyst, experience 2 to 3 years, and this company is offering you remote job opportunity. Salary 4 to 9 lakhs per annum, that is estimated. Education bachelor's degree in maths, engineering, economics or stats. About the role: resolve data related issues under time pressure, provide excellent communication to internal and external stakeholders, develop a deep and broad understanding of DMS data and its application, take ownership of our customer data support process, query and extract data using common computer languages, and provide analysts to support data-driven decision making. And some technical skills: 2 to 3 years of relevant and professional experience in a fast moving company or in the auto industry, excellent written and verbal communication skills, strong analytical and problem solving skills, and compatible with technology and understanding of process based tools. And you should have intermediate SQL knowledge along with the Excel knowledge, VLOOKUPs, index match, and pivot tables. And if you are good to go with this job, you can click on this link which is available in the description box. Fourth company in the list is Anra, hiring for data analyst experience fresher. It means they are not looking for any experience, and if you are a fresher, you can apply for the job post. Location is in Noida. Education bachelor's in economics, business administration, engineering with a very good academic record, and salary they have 3.5 lakhs per annum they are offering you. Roles and responsibilities: you will collect and analyze data and information found in primary and secondary research domains. You will also develop and maintain project trackers database for the energy and infrastructure industry domains on INREX proprietary. Further, developing the data tools shall be timely bound job, and managing the updates of information insights analysis shall be a cyclic practice. And developing and managing ecosystem reports to the allocated sector shall be one of our key responsibilities. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to take care of as a data analyst over here. And some technical skills this company is looking for: interested to work in the renewable energy, new energy industry is a plus. Further, capabilities in collection, analysis, and synthesis of information and knowledge, professional attitude and service orientation, ability to work independently as well as in the team. And if you have good knowledge of Python or R, then you can apply for the job post. If you're interested for the job post, you can share your latest resume on this mail ID. Let's move to the fifth job, which is for the company name ZENATIX, hiring for data analyst 2, experience 2 to 3 years. Location is Gurgaon. Salary they have not disclosed, but that is competitive. Education bachelor's, master's, engineering degree from a premier institute. Roles and responsibilities: customer strategy, define roadmap for customer engagement and value delivery through existing and new use cases. Customer satisfaction, define and track KPIs for customer satisfaction. Data analysis, analyze clients' data to draw insights and prepare business cases. Growth opportunities, identify opportunities to expand scope and the product, assess benefits in terms of ROI and other aspects of the customer. And data visualization, create dashboards, reports, or presentation to summarize large amount of data for customers. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform as a data analyst over here. Experience: 2 years of professional experience with the experience on data visualization tool like Power BI, Tableau. Basic knowledge on Python would be a plus. Well versed in using MS Excel, able to create presentation and have good communication skills. Excellent analytical, communication, and presentation skills. So these are some top skills this company is looking for. And if you're good to go with the job, you can click on this link which is available in the description box. Sixth company in the list is AMEX American Express, hiring for analyst data analytics, experience 1 to 2 years. Location is in Gurgaon. Education bachelor's degree required, preferably in quantitative fields such as economics, finance, accounting, or stats. Salary 4 to 8 lakhs per annum, that is estimated. What you need to do as a data analyst over here: strong analytical skills, apply analytical thinking to diagnose business needs and to establish analytical hypotheses and solutions. Have outstanding knowledge of Hive and SQL encompassing data manipulation and statistical modeling, data mining techniques. Superb communicator, it means ability to drive alignment among customers and key partners. Further, high level of accountability and ability to address ambiguous challenges, adaptable to evolving priorities and rapid change. And out of the box thinking, challenge status quo, innovate, and harbor strong curiosity. Ability to lead multiple and sophisticated work streams and to work across department boundaries and deliver a diverse set of initiatives. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform as an analyst. And for this, you need to have some technical skills. These are proficiency in SQL, Python, Tableau, and other analytical tool is a plus. Ability to extract and organize complex data sets. Ability to address perform issues and to manipulate structured and unstructured data. Proven track record of independently developing novel analytical solutions. Ability to cultivate relationships and partner with multiple collaborators. And if you are good to go with this job, you can click on this link which is available in the description box. Let's move to the seventh job, which is for the company named Gartner, a well-known research company hiring for a strategy and program analyst. Experience 1 year. Location is in Gurgaon. Education bachelor's, post-graduation in management and business administration. And salary they have not disclosed, but that is competitive. Roles and responsibilities: drive higher retention and improve engagement by collaborating with and empowering global service delivery leaders. continually engage with global stakeholders, conduct current state assessment with diagnostic to identify gaps, demonstrate ability to seek feedback from stakeholders. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform, and some technical skills: hands-on experience in strategy, consulting, or analytics, training in discipline and program with a strong business, IT, and analytics affiliate, advanced proficiency in MS Excel and PowerPoint, knowledge of Python and SQL would be a plus, ability to work independently and as a part of the team, and detail oriented and strong commitment to high quality results. And if you are good to go with the job, you can click on this link which is available in the description box. So friends, these are 7 jobs for this week. Do press the like button if this video is helpful in any way, and let me know your feedback in the comment section, and share this video with your needy friends as well. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.